Good morning friend, welcome to my channel Study with Arunav. So friends, today's topic is trigonometrical ratios. Friend, in previous video I have explained what is trigonometry and what are the trigonometrical ratios. So friend, those who have not seen that video, go and see it. Friend, today's I will explain you some questions of trigonometrical ratios first exercise. In first exercise, the question will given like, from the following figure find the all trigonometrical ratios. Friend, the figure is given. This is a figure and this is right angle triangle, and AB and BC is given. We have to find all the trigonometrical ratios from this given figure. So friend, first we will write what are the given. I have written AB equals to 8. You have to put K here. If it is given or not, you have to put, it will not given in question, you have to put yourself only. AB equals to 8 equals to 8K, BC equals to 4 equals to 4K, and AC equals to what? So first friend, we will find all the sides, because when we will not have all the sides, then we cannot find our trigonometrical ratios. So friend, first we will find all the sides. So to find AC we will use Pythagoras formula. So Pythagoras formula is h square equals to p square plus b square, where h stands for hypotenuse, b stands for base, and p stands for perpendicular. So friend, here h is AC square equals to, you can take BC as a perpendicular or base. I am taking BC as a perpendicular according to this angle. According to angle, the sides names also changes. In place of BC I will write 4K square, plus in AB we will write 8K square. So after simplifying, it will become 16K square plus 64K square. This implies they are like term, then we will add it. It will become 80K square. This implies AC equals to root under 80K square. This implies AC equals to 4 root 5K. So friend, now we got AC equals to 4 root 5K. Now friend, we can find all the trigonometrical ratios. So first we have to find sine A. Friend, here why sine A is given? This is because we have to find sine from this angle. We have to find sine by taking angle A. So sine equals to P by H equals to, according to angle A, perpendicular is BC, so we will write 4K, and hypotenuse is 4 root 5K. So friend, 4 cut, KK cut, equals to 1 by root 5. Answer. So friend, this is the sine A. Value of sine A is 1 by root 5. And friend, the value of cos A, in this only we will take cos A equals to B by H equals to, according to this angle, base is AB, so we will write 8K, H is 4 root 5K equals to 2 by root 5 is answer of cos A. Now friend, we have to find cot A. Cot is B by, sorry friend, cot is B by P equals to according to this angle B is AB. So we will write 8K and P is 4K. So friend, K cut and this is 2 times. So friend, the value of cot A is 2. Now friend, we have to find sec A, cos sec A and tan A. Friend, we will find sec A according by taking angle A, and sec C, cosec C by taking this angle. Cosec is friend the reciprocal of sine. H by P, it will H by P. So friend, H is this and P is according to angle C, perpendicular is AB and hypotenuse is AC. So we will put the value of them and we will do. So thank you friend for watching my video. If you like this, please like, share and subscribe.